Welcome to my channel. 1st May 2021 Current Affair. Question number 1. Which is the first country in the world to regulate self-driving cars at slow speed on the motorway? And the option is UK, USA, Japan, India. And answer is UK. Its explanation is the UK has become the first country to announce regulation of the use of self-driving vehicle at slow speeds on motorway. Question number 2. Who has been appointed as the Fuel Finance Secretary in place of Ajay Bhushan Pandey? It's Security. Option TV Somnatham, Anil Kumar Gharai, Ravi Arora, Gurdeep Singh. And the answer is A. TV Somnatham. Its explanation is the Appointments Committee of the Cabinet ACC has approved the appointment of TV Somnatham as the new Finance Secretary. Question number 3. Which bank has emerged as the top arranger of corporate bond deals in 2020 to 2021 FY21? Option Kotak Mahindra Bank, Axis Bank, ICICI Bank, ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank. And the answer is D. HDFC Bank. Its explanation is the HDFC Bank has emerged as the top arrangement of corporate bond deals in 2021-2022. 2020 to 2021 FY21, Axis Bank came in second while ICICI Bank third. Question number 4. What is the theme of International Day 2021? Option Dance is art. Dance of art of dance, purpose of dance, dance with word. And the answer is C. Purpose of dance. Its explanation is the International Day 2021 theme is purpose of dance. Question number 5. Michael Collins, who has passed away, was a well-known option astronaut, cricket player, politician, filmmaker. And the answer is A. Astronaut. Its explanation is the American astronaut Michael Collins, who was the command module pilot for the Apollo 11 mission to the moon, has passed away after losing his battle to cancer. Question number 6. The first ever 3D printed house of India has recently been inaugurated by Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman at which place? Option IIT Delhi, IIT Bengaluru, IIT Madras, IIT Kanpur. And the answer is C. IIT Madras. And its explanation is the Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman virtually inaugurated the first 3D printed house in India at Indian Institution of Technology Madras IITM. Question number 7. An earthquake of 6.4 magnitude hit which Indian state in April 2021? Option Gujarat, Assam, Maharashtra, Delhi. And the answer is B. Assam. Its explanation: an earthquake of 6.4 magnitude hit Assam in April 2021. Question number 8. Which state government hiked the financial assistance to Rs 51,000 for the beneficiaries of the Ashirwad scheme? Option Assam, Bihar, Gujarat, Punjab. And the answer is D. Punjab. Its explanation is the Punjab cabinet has approved a hike in financial assistance under the Ashirwad scheme from Rs 21,000 to Rs 51,000 per beneficiary with direction to clear all payment backlog under the scheme. Question number 9. The International Jazz Day is celebrated every year on which day? Option last Friday on April 28 April, 30 April, 29 April? And the answer is C, 30 April. Its explanation: the International Jazz Day is celebrated every year on 30 April. Question number 10. According to which health authority full vaccinated people do not need to wear mask? Option: ICMR, CDC, EMA, NHS. And the answer is B, CDC. Its explanation: according to the Center for Disease Control and Prevention, fully vaccinated people do not need to wear mask. Question number 11. The DRDO has set the target of installing how many medical oxygen plants within 3 months? And options: 400, 500, 100, 1000. And the answer is B, 500. Its explanation: the Defense Research and Development Organization will set up 500 medical oxygen generating plants across the country. Question number 12. Which bank signed an MOU with BSNL to receive telecom service for the bank at a competitive rate? Option: Canara Bank, SBI, Indian Bank, Union Bank of India. And the answer is C, Indian Bank. Its explanation: the Indian Bank, leading public sector bank of India, and Bharat Sanchar Nigam Limited (BSNL) has signed an MOU to receive telecom service for the bank at a competitive rate. Question number 13. India has permitted which state to fly drones from experimental delivery of COVID-19 vaccine? Option: Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat. And the answer is B, Telangana. Its explanation: the government of Telangana has given conditional permission for the drone deployment by the Civil Aviation Minister and the Director General of Civil Aviation for conducting an experimental delivery of the COVID-19 vaccines in the state. Question number 14. Which country has launched a robot prototype NEO-01? Its option: Russia, China, Japan, USA. And the answer is B, China. Its explanation is the China has launched the robot prototype capable of catching space debris with net. Question number 15. Who has launched a special WhatsApp helpline number for regardment women? WCD, NCW, MHA, MOHFW. And the answer is B, NCW. Its explanation: the National Commission for the Women has launched a WhatsApp helpline number to provide emergency medical assistance to pregnant women. The emergency number is 9354 954 224. Question number 16. Who has become Asia's first woman to get Wild Innovator Award? Option: Achanta Kamal, Kriti Karnath, Chandni Mehra, Anisha Khare. And the answer is B, Kritika Karnath. Its explanation: Dr. Kritika K. Karnath, the Chief Conservation Scientist at Bengaluru-based Centre of Wildlife Studies (CWS), has been chosen as the first Indian and Asian woman for the 2021 Wild Innovator Award. Question number 17. Which bank has launched the digital and contactless banking platform Merchant Stack for retail merchants? Option: ICICI Bank, Kotak Mahindra Bank, Axis Bank, HDFC Bank. And the answer is A, ICICI Bank. Its explanation note. The ICICI Bank has announced the launch of a digital and contactless banking platform especially for retail merchants. Question number 18. Which organization has announced to provide 4,000 concentrators to India? Option WTO, WHO, UNESCO, IMF. And the answer is B. WHO. Its explanation: the World Health Organization will provide 4,000 oxygen concentrator to India, which is experiencing a surge in COVID-19 cases and related death. Question number 19. Which Indian cricket player has been appointed as brand ambassador of Japan sportswear brand ASICS? Option: Ravindra Jadeja, Shekhar Dhawan, Jasprit Bumrah, Rishabh Pant. And the answer is A. Ravindra Jadeja. Its explanation: the leading all-rounder of the India cricket team, Ravindra Jadeja, has been appointed by the Japanese sportswear brand ASICS as its brand ambassadors in India. And the last question to 20. The LT governor of which UT will now having primacy over the elected government? Option: Chandigarh, Puducherry, Jammu and Kashmir, Delhi. And the answer is D, which called Delhi. Its explanation: the government of National Capital Territory of Delhi Amendment Act 2021, which gives primacy to the Lieutenant Governor (LG) over the elected government in the city, has come into force. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe my channel for regular current affairs and preparation and work study to hard and achieve a goal. Thanks for watching.